let's look at some vocabulary related to certain symptoms and feelings. Vomiting, to throw up. Swelling, puffed up. Bleeding, loss of blood. Fever, high body temperature. Rash, irritation of the skin. Numbness, not feel. Drowsiness, being sleepy. Trouble breathing, cannot breathe well or shortness of breath. Tingling, feeling pins and needles in your body or skin. Passing gas, bad smelling air from bowels. Itching, you want to rub or scratch your skin. Fatigue, you feel tired or weak. Sneezing, a quick push of air out of your nose and mouth. Cough, quick noisy push of air from mouth. Dizziness, feeling wobbly or faint, to lose balance and not be steady. Nausea, to feel like throwing up or feeling sick in the stomach. Injuries, a burn, when you touch something very hot, your skin gets red and sore. A cut, to break the skin with a sharp object such as knife, scissors, scalpel. A fracture, to break a bone. Swelling, puffed up, for example, skin or a joint. Bruises, when you are hurt and your skin turns black or blue. Blood clotting, a lump of blood that blocks your veins or your blood vessels. Muscle tear, to rip a muscle.